Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about what exactly CTFs are, what are the categories that are included in CTF, and what are the best resources to build CTF skills. I am going to start a CTF series where I will be guiding you to solve different CTF challenges on different platforms. But before starting solving CTF challenges, we need to understand what exactly CTFs are. CTF stands for Capture the Flag. Capture the Flag are cybersecurity competitions which are conducted to assess the cybersecurity skill sets of individuals. In CTF competitions, a series of cybersecurity challenges are being given to the competitors. The challenges range from web security, cryptography, reverse engineering, binary exploitation, digital forensics, and open source intelligence, etc. The aim is to find a way to exploit the challenges to find a string called flag. These flags are being submitted in the CTF platform to earn points. The team with highest score will be considered as the winner. This is an example flag which contains the flag format followed by the curly braces and the actual flag. CTF competitions are either individuals or team based, depending on the competition rule. Every weekend, there will be different CTF competitions going on somewhere in the world. You can check all the running and upcoming CTF events by going to the website ctftime.org, where you will find the list of all the upcoming CTF events and instruction on how to participate in these competitions. Now let's talk about the categories that are included in these competitions. First one is web security. In this category, a vulnerable web application will be given to the competitors. The goal will be to exploit any vulnerability in the web application to get access of the backend system. The best resource to practice this category will be Portswigger Academy. You will find more than 200 labs related to web security with detailed explanation of each topic on the Portswigger Academy. The second category will be cryptography, where an encryption algorithm will be given to the competitors, and the goal will be to find any vulnerability or any weakness in the implementation of the algorithm to decrypt the given data without the key or passphrase. The best resource to practice the cryptographic algorithm will be CryptoHack, where you will find different courses and challenges related to cryptography. The third category is reverse engineering. It includes the process of analyzing and understanding the given piece of software or binary by working backward from its compiled form to extract information about its functionality, structure, and behavior. The best resource to practice the reverse engineering task will be crackme's.one. This website contains hundreds of crackme's for reverse engineering, and there you will also find detailed write-up and solution of each crackme. The next category that you will encounter is binary exploitation. It includes the exploitation of binary files through buffer overflows, format string vulnerabilities, and heap exploitation. And the resources for practicing binary exploitation will be pwnable.kr, pwnable.tw, and Nightmare CTF Guide. Coming up, the network security category, which includes the analysis of network traffic such as PCAP files. Next is the digital forensics. In this category, a computer artifact will be given to the competitors and they will be asked to find any intrusion using techniques such as steganography, registry analysis, and forensics image file analysis. The resource to learn about digital forensics will be letsdefend.io and cyber defenders. The next category is open source intelligence. It includes gathering information about a target using different open source tools and techniques. The last category is miscellaneous category. It includes all those challenges which cannot be added into any of the category which we defined earlier. So those will be added in miscellaneous category. These were all the categories which you will encounter in any CTF competition. Here are some other resources which you can refer to find challenges from all the categories which are being mentioned in this video. The first one is Cyber Talent. The second one is Pico CTF. And the third one is Hack the Box. These platform contains challenges from all the categories which are being mentioned in this video. So I will be making walkthroughs of challenges from all these platforms. This was it for this video. In the next video, I will guide you about the lab setup for the CTF competitions. If you are interested in CTF or cybersecurity, then do subscribe this channel to stay updated in the field of cybersecurity. Thank you.